Welcome to chainandsprockets.co.uk, one of the UK's leading suppliers of parts for motorcycles and quads. This is a chain and sprocket kit for the popular Ducati motorbike, the 1199 Panigale, Panigale S and the S Tricolore. For sprockets we use the JT brand, which are the world's largest producer of heavy duty sprockets. The front sprocket is made from chromalloy steel alloy and the rear is from ultra durable high carbon steel. The sprockets in this kit are standard teeth size, the front being 15 tooth and the rear 39. To use non-standard sprockets on Ducati machines, you need to use a JT sprocket carrier. The carrier is manufactured in 7075 T6 aluminium alloy and is designed as a quick change carrier. Once purchased, you can change the rear sprocket easily without having to buy Ducati original rear sprockets. The drivetrain is supplied by DID, made in Japan. They are the original parts supplier to all the main motorcycle manufacturers and commonly used on the racetrack. This kit contains a 525 ZVMX in 104 links. It comes pre-lubricated and features their patented X-ring construction. The chain has a proven high tensile strength, 8,120 pounds, above Japanese OEM standards. DID X-ring has the greatest wear resistance of any other type of O-ring or non-O-ring chain. The connecting link is a race-developed rivet type and requires a rivet tool to join correctly, which are available separately from our online store. This chain is only available in a gold finish. Being the market leader, the chain comes with a 2-year warranty. Full chain fitting instructions are supplied with every chain. Need more data? Please don't hesitate to log on to www.chainandsprockets.co.uk. Thanks for watching.